Prayer is probably one of the most talked about disciplines in the church, and yet sometimes in our life it's not practiced with the most confidence. I only know that because it's probably the second biggest thing I'm asked about. I'm praying about this and I don't know if God hears it. I don't know. Sometimes he's helping me find my keys, and yet I'm praying about this bigger issue over here and I don't hear anything. Just a lot of prayer questions. What's the way to why does he answer this one and not this one, and help this person and not this person? Ton of prayer questions. So when we talk about prayer, many believers believe in it, talk about it, know the power of it, but what's the real clarity, the confidence, and the consistency that we need? And then luckily in Luke 11, the disciples asked Jesus. So we're going to use that. It's called the School of Prayer, and it's really about more of the framework, the posture, the persistence, the perspective. He gives them a framework. Here's how it starts. One day Jesus is praying in a certain place, and when he finished, one of his disciples said to him, "Lord, teach us to pray just as John taught his disciples." Notice what they don't ask, because they could have. "Jesus, you're a really good preacher. Teach us how to preach or to heal. How are you doing these healings and these miracles? How do you draw a crowd?" They could have asked a lot of things, but they've seen Jesus in this way, and they've seen enough of this flowing of presence and connection with God. They say, "Teach us to pray."